See, the state government has constituted a high-level inquiry committee to inquire into the events that transpired during the incident of the night curfew violations on the midnight of 26th April 2021, where I was present during the violation and enforcement. So a committee has been constituted. The committee summoned me for giving evidence today. So today I came here at 3 p.m. and I have submitted my statement and other documents, some orders which were brought out by me, orders under the Disaster Management Act and under Section 144. And also I was asked some questions which I have replied, and I am going to fully cooperate with the inquiry committee, and whatever other dates are fixed, other documents are asked for, that will be completely given from my side.
So you have represented yourself in front of the committee. Do you still stand by your position, whatever had happened that night? Do you still stand by that?
Yes, so it is my duty to enforce the the orders which are there for preventing spread of COVID, and that's why I did that night. And I stand by whatever I did.